SOXPRO improved water quality. The Clean Waterways Act Stormwater Rule. New permitted development projects must adhere to updated regulations that mandate the reduction of phosphorus and nitrogen in stormwater runoff to prevent contamination of public waterways. The requirements. Minimum reduction before entering public waterways must be less than or equal to pre-development or the following reductions for all sites not impaired. Outstanding Florida waterways. Impaired waters. Impaired OFWs. And redevelopment. The impact. The new rule forces all audiences to recognize environmental responsibility. Elected officials. While the new BPs and bipartisan bill approval offer significant benefits, constituents may be unhappy about costs. Officials will need to balance environmental concerns with economic development. Agency officials. Agency officials must ensure enforceability and compliance with requirements, develop remedy guidance for noncompliance, and effectively manage resources while addressing technical challenges. Engineers. Engineers must educate staff on new rules, develop multiple engineered choices and systems, and communicate plans to clients and permitting authorities. Builders. Builders must collaborate with engineers on cost-effective solutions, assess and adjust practices and design standards, and address fines for non-compliance and permit issues. Labor-based organizations. Stakeholders. A proactive partnership between erosion control and water quality. SOX Erosion Solutions develops, manufactures and distributes a suite of environmentally focused, innovative, patented, bioengineered erosion control systems that immediately halt shoreline and hillside erosion. Welcome to SOX Erosion Solutions, where we revolutionize environmental stewardship. At SOX, our mission is to stabilize, reduce contaminants, improve water quality, and expand green spaces. We deliver innovative and environmentally responsible solutions to counteract soil erosion. Our team is dedicated to providing durable, high-value outcomes for our partners, stakeholders, and communities. We strike the perfect balance between economic growth and environmental preservation. We work with a diverse range of clients, from local governments to private landowners, ensuring that our solutions meet the unique needs of each project. SOX develops, manufactures, and distributes patented bioengineered erosion control systems that contours to any terrain. The systems are filled using locally sourced material or by dredging sediment from the adjacent water body, providing immediate stability and enhanced vegetation. Join us in making a transformative and enduring impact on our communities. Together, we can create a sustainable future. SOX Erosion Solutions, leading the way in environmental stewardship. SOXPRO Corporation is an environmental restoration company dedicated to protecting, preserving, and restoring nature. They provide water diagnostics and restoration technologies because everyone deserves clean, safe, and enjoyable water.
Most people enjoy the water for what it is. A place to boat, fish, and swim. A place to relax. A penalty stroke. A valuable resource for irrigation. But not all water is good water. As the aquatics industry leader, we embrace the most difficult challenges impacting water bodies today, developing solutions for the toughest, nastiest problems, empowering professionals and homeowners to take charge, to restore natural beauty, and to prevent future issues. Through our research, we're finding new ways to fight the eyesores and health risks that plague water bodies around the world. And through our innovative technology, we're doing more with less, to eliminate and prevent aquatic weeds that can be unsightly and hazardous, algae that can be toxic and noxious, and other water quality issues that can lead to future problems. At SOXPRO Corporation, we're committed to protecting, preserving, and restoring your water for the past 25 years and for generations to come.
SOX Erosion Solutions and SOXPRO Corporation have partnered to develop a new technology, SOXPRO, in anticipation of the new Florida Clean Waterways Act stormwater rule. SOXPRO is a 5-part system. Part 1. Anchors. Stabilize the system by choosing appropriate anchors for substrate. Part 2. Mesh. SOXPRO is manufactured with inert HDP double-layered and knitted polyethylene mesh. The mesh is constructed with an integrated roping channel for structural support. Part 3. Tethering. SOXPRO is manufactured with inert HDP double-layered and knitted polyethylene mesh. After the first row is secure, the mesh is folded for containment and then tethered to the top row. Part 4. Fill. The system supports any organic fill material that is greater than 150 microns, such as crushed rock, coarse sand, mulch, compost, and dredge spoils. An active agent, scientifically formulated to bind phosphorus and nitrogen, is added to the fill material. The fill is compacted into the system by either washing it in or dredging it from the adjacent water body. Once filled, the system is immediately stabilized. Part 5. Vegetation. SOXPRO is vegetated with sod, hydroseeding, or sprigging. Roots grow directly through the mesh, further stabilizing the system. Now that the shoreline has been stabilized, here's how the system works. When irrigation and stormwater hit the Earth's surface, it then penetrates the system. Here, the active agent binds phosphorus and nitrogen, which filters the runoff before it enters the waterway. This filtration results in improved water quality. The phosphorus and nitrogen that were bound to the active agent become nutritious food for the roots, which enhances vegetative growth. This process frees the active agent to then consume more phosphorus and nitrogen during the next water event, making SOXPRO a cyclical regenerative system. Lab testing. SOXPRO underwent rigorous and controlled bench testing at SOXPRO's dedicated research campus in North Carolina, where testing was performed on both control and activation ponds. The control pond was untouched, while SOXPRO was installed on the activation pond. 25% of the activation pond received SOXPRO protection. After 120 days, the nitrogen load in the control pond increased by 33%, while decreasing by nearly 50% in the SOXPRO pond. A net reduction of 82%. The phosphorus load decreased by only 1.2% in the control pond, while decreasing 38% in the SOXPRO pond. A net reduction of 36.8%. 30 days later, SOXPRO showed even further net reduction at 84% in nitrogen and 53% phosphorus. Field testing. Following the lab testing in North Carolina, SOXPRO was field tested in Boca Raton, Florida, in collaboration with a new development under construction. SOXPRO was installed on the site's retention pond during active construction of the new development. 50% of the retention pond received SOXPRO protection. After 28 days on an active construction site, the nitrogen load in the control had 0% change, while decreasing with SOXPRO for a net reduction of 14%. The phosphorus load had a net reduction of 79% with SOXPRO. At 56 days, SOXPRO showed a net reduction of 11% in nitrogen and 151% in phosphorus. Factors to consider. SOXPRO shows significant and consistent improvement in nitrogen and phosphorus reduction at each monitoring. To meet FDEP standards, there are many factors to consider in customizing your solution for your specific site. Experience. SOX Erosion Solutions and SOXPRO Corporation have extensive experience and industry leadership in both erosion control and water quality. Having worked with best-in-class organizations across the country, this is the ideal partnership for developing a solution to meet the requirements of the Stormwater Rule. This SOX Erosion Solutions project restored 8,000 linear feet of eroded shoreline at the St. Johns River Water Management District in Florida. At Old Florida Golf Course, SOX Erosion Solutions repaired an unsafe eroding lake bed, while improving aesthetics with a living shoreline. In Kitsap Lake, Washington, SOXPRO mitigated phosphorus with a net reduction of 90% and 3 times improvement in water quality. Servicing these residential locations, SOXPRO's improvement in water quality is undeniable. SOXPRO improved water quality. Let's collaborate.
Like many areas, Florida's waters are challenged by polluted stormwater runoff and continuous shoreline erosion. This threatens the health of native wildlife, while also negatively impacting the local economy. Simultaneous reduction of erosions and pollution can happen. Introducing SOXPRO's Water Health System, a dual-action system that prevents the degradation of shorelines and absorbs harmful nutrients before they reach the waterways. Using specialized materials and technology, communities can regain peace of mind when local agencies and developers collaborate and deploy sustainable solutions to maintain long-term compliance. Healthy Florida waters can start today. Let's collaborate to create strong community partnerships, safeguard Florida's natural resources, and enhance its ecosystems.
SOXPRO is developed, manufactured, and distributed by SOX Erosion Solutions and SOXPRO Corporation.